In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with Wix in just about 5 minutes. This seamless integration will help you automate your email marketing efforts, making your online business more efficient and your marketing campaigns more effective. Let's start by logging into Klaviyo. If it's your first time, you might be curious about Klaviyo. It's a powerful email platform designed specifically for e-commerce, aiding businesses in creating meaningful connections with their customers. Navigate to the Klaviyo website and you'll find the login option prominently displayed. Click on Login and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. It's important to ensure your credentials are ready to avoid any delays in this process. Once you've filled in your login details, press the Login button to access your Klaviyo dashboard. The dashboard represents the control center of your Klaviyo account, where you can access various features and settings necessary for your email marketing campaigns. Next, you'll want to access your profile, which is found by clicking on your profile option on the dashboard. This step is crucial as it leads you to the integrations section of Klaviyo. Integrations are third-party services and platforms such as Wix that you can connect with Klaviyo to enhance your marketing strategies. After accessing your profile, look for the integrations option. This section lists all the available integrations that Klaviyo supports. Click on Add Integrations to proceed. Here you'll be presented with a variety of integration options, but since we're focusing on Wix, you'll need to search for it. Simply type Wix into the search field and it should come up immediately. Once you've found the Wix integration, click on it to move forward. You'll be taken to a page that provides more details about what the integration offers. Look for the Install button and click on it. This action initiates the process of integrating Klaviyo with your Wix account. You're now one step closer to syncing Klaviyo with Wix. The next page will have an option that says Connect to Wix. Clicking on this button is a critical step as it will redirect you to sign into your Wix account. If you're not already logged into Wix, it will prompt you to do so. Make sure you have your Wix login credentials handy for a smooth transition. Logging into your Wix account is straightforward. Input your username and password just like you did when logging into Klaviyo. Once you're logged in, Wix will ask for permissions for Klaviyo to access certain data points on your website. This step is necessary for the integration to work correctly, so review the permissions and proceed by accepting them. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Klaviyo with your Wix site. This integration will allow you to track customer behavior on your website directly from Klaviyo, segment your customers based on their actions, and send targeted email campaigns that drive sales and customer loyalty. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is understanding your audience. With Klaviyo and Wix working together, you have powerful tools at your disposal to make informed decisions based on customer data. Take advantage of this by diving into Klaviyo's features, exploring automated email sequences, segmentation, and personalized email campaigns. Before I sign off, a few pro tips to make the most out of your Klaviyo and Wix integration. First, regularly check your integration settings in both Klaviyo and Wix to ensure everything is running smoothly. Technologies update and you don't want to miss out on new features or fixes that could enhance your marketing efforts. Secondly, always follow best practices for email marketing. Respect your customers' inboxes, provide valuable content, and make unsubscribing easy. This not only helps with engagement rates, but also builds trust with your audience. That's all for today's tutorial on integrating Klaviyo with Wix. I hope this video was helpful and that you're now better equipped to take your email marketing to the next level. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.